Well, look at this fine looking lawnmower I got here. I came home from work and it was in my driveway. I've since found out that a neighbor dropped it off here with a free sign on it for me. Found out who it was. It is pretty. It's a Craftsman with a 6.75 gross horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine on it, which is good. Z-Start. Actually has a primer bulb. No bag. It's a self-propelled, and you can see it's missing the side chute here. Got like what looks like a rubber mat on here. Not sure what's happened to that. Really dirty. It's a real wheel self-propelled. Easy walk. No bag with this. Looked like it was full of oil. Matter of fact, overfilled. It is overfilled a bit, but it's clean looking. Kind of looking at it the same time I am. I got to check that air filter. Not exactly sure what's wrong with it, but if you look at the blade here, the blade is adapter maybe broke on it. It's at least not mounted correctly, and actually almost looks like it's upside down. It is upside down. Sure does look like it's upside down. That would sure knock like that. I wonder if it's got an air filter. We'll take that out and see. Not the prettiest thing in the world. It certainly will clean up, but this piece missing right here. People don't generally want to buy anything like this. Take this air filter off and look at it first. It does look like it has an air filter in it. I can see it poking out in there. I bet it's filthy. Let's see if it'll surprise me. It looks just old. Not all that filthy, just old. Primer bulb engine. Let's clean this air filter a bit and take a look at this blade, see if I can remount it. That air filter was a mess. I knocked a lot of dirt out of that, so we're going to put that back on and then check this blade here. And I got the blade adapter tool on here. This bolt was loose. Blade definitely looks like it's upside down. Matter of fact, I think it's bent. In fact, that didn't even look like the correct blade for this lawnmower. Wow, look at that. Bent big time. That end seems to be okay, but look at this. I don't think there's any way in the world this blade would ever fit on this lawnmower. It's not the correct one. Oh, so somebody put the wrong blade on the Sears, so I don't know if this thing will run or not. So we'll have to keep checking this lawnmower out a little bit. Here's the model and serial number of this Craftsman. Wheels look okay on it. Can't start this lawnmower with a blade like this. It'd be really unsafe, so I just disconnected the spark plug boot. We're just going to see if we got compression here on this. It's got resistance. Oh, it would knock like crazy if I tried to start it with the blade. The blade's hitting something under there too. So I'll have to look and make sure this crankshaft is not bent and decide if it's worth spending the money to put a blade on here. May see more about this Craftsman